you're right.
Did you look at their faces?
No.
That was the whole thing. When they said, "Do you, MaryAnn?" That was when they asked you if you're going to take it or leave it.
Good morning ka-everything. I-on ko lang itong fireplace for 2 hours kasi maliligo ako, guys. Maligo po tayo, guys, and sobrang ginaw. So sabi ko, i-on ko na yung fireplace para paglabas ko, hindi sobrang maginaw. So yun, and yun. Oh God, yun. Ang ginaw, guys, as in, sabi ko kay Tami, maligo ba ako or ano? Kasi nakakaano, sobrang ginaw. Dito, electric man ito, guys. Masarap lang mag-upo. Pero kailangan ko maligo kasi kahapon, hindi ako naligo. Nag-half bath ako, guys. Sabi ko, hindi ko basain yung ulo ko kasi sobrang ginaw. Good morning, everything! Si Tami is, nag-ano lang si Tami, guys. Nag-ano lang si Tami. Naghiga-higa doon. Sabi pa niya, higa-higa lang doon eh. Katatapos ko lang naliga. Hanap tayo ng ano. Ito, suotin natin itong sweater ni Bianan. Sabi ko, buti na lang inon ko yung fireplace sa bedroom. Hindi na din ako nagbra kasi ano, ito na lang yung damit ni Bianan, suotin natin, di ba? May mga nagsabi sa inyo ba bakit daw kinikip ko? Dapat itapon. Alam nyo, guys, hindi man dahil patay na yung may-ari, kailangan mo na rin itapon yung mga damit niya. Kasi mga gamit ni Bianan maganda. Kahit mga damit, maganda yung material at saka malaki nga lang, pero ngayon bago tayo ano sa mukha, mag-edit ako. Itong laptop dito ba, isang laptop ko. Ito. In-update ko siya, guys. Let me see. Yeah, in-update ko siya dahil matagal nang hindi na-open, di ba? Wala na update, guys. Wala na talaga. And ganyan, iniwan ko lang si Tami. Ito din, hindi ko na nagamit. Ito din, hindi ko na nagamit. Bigay ko man ito sa mga kapatid ko. Itong mga ito. Kailangan ko na pala itong i-charge. Ang daming kanta po dito, guys. Ito, iPad. Ito, hindi ko sure kung ibigay ko to. I don't think so. Pero ito, ibigay ko to. Kasi magagamit ko pa ito kapag may gagawin akong, ano, mga, yun na, magagamit ko yan kung gusto kong mag-game. So, andito po ako sa taas ngayon, guys, dahil mag-i-edit po ako. And then, meron ako mga receipt dito. Tax for next year, I think. I-keep ko siya kasi meron ako mga tax, ano dito eh. Ganito ako, guys. Ang mga tax, andito. I think, tax 2020. Andito, sinulat ko. Anyway, mag-edit ako dito, guys. Pasensya na talaga, guys, ha. Diyan lang kayo, guys, para kitang-kita. This is done. Tapos na yan. Hindi ko na atno sa tax last this year. Hindi ko nabigay. Yeah, sa mukbang yan. Nagmumukbang ako paminsan dito yung KFC, yung kami ni Tami. Ito, gas, dalawa. Yun lang. So, yun. Yun akong basurahan dyan. Napatay na sila, guys. Hindi ko na inalagaan. Napatay yung talong. And Tommy said he have the right to argue with me, guys, because it's in the fine
print.
In a marriage contract.
This is implied.
And
for better or for worse. This is you take it or leave it. You go, well, I wish somebody told me you take it or leave it, I would have it.
yeah.
So, see, that was the whole thing when they said, "Do you, MaryAnn?" That was when they asked you if you're going to take it or leave it.
No, I would leave, honey. I won't take it. It's a it's a big thing, honey.
Yeah, I can see the truck.
That's really huge, hon.
Okay, Mom.
Honey, it's really long.
Same long as every other truck.
He loves me, and he said, "Yes, I love you, but I have the right to argue with you." Guys, this is really not good.
Tell me how I gotta wear my clothes, how I gotta push my hair, I
Han,
gotta shave my face. What else?
I just want you to nice looking.
Yeah, I like the
Nice
way I look.
And his jeans, nagagalit kasi siya, guys, because I cut his jeans. He's been wearing it, and then the end of the jeans, the very end, it's ripped, and then it's kind of like every time he walk, it's like this.
I like that.
It's
raggedy at the bottom. I like
raggedy, and natanggal na siya, guys, and it's really long. And I cut it. I said,
And I told her no, and she just chased me around the room and did it.
because
Then
honey,
she
it's,
hit me and pushed me and scared the cats and the dogs. They all sitting there like,
you're right.
did you look at their faces?
No, they don't. They
Yes,
don't act
look
like
at their
that.
faces. Yeah. Did you notice how nice and quiet they were after that? They didn't move. No.
Really? Really? Are you serious?
Yes. Did you look at Hobbs' face?
No.
Hobbs and Dimples are both like this.
Oh my god.
Then they feel like I'm just like them, so they relate better to me.
You know what, honey?
I said, oh look, she hit you too, just like she hit us.
Honey, don't say that, honey. Don't say that.
Squirrel, squirrel. You're lucky I'm driving. We'd be throwing flowers out there right now otherwise.
You're really not loving me anymore. You kind of doesn't care what I feel. You go this side because you're in the right, it's in the other side. You get married. If you are single, guys, please, when you get married, look the fine print, okay?
Guys, if you are single, stay that way.
Look the fine print because there's something secrets in there.
The secrets. Here's the secret.
Or just don't get married because me, I wish I knew. Do you love me?
Happily Ever After is just a TV show.
So this is not happily ever after? So this is not happily ever after? No, I'm serious.
You're making comments on the... I'm making comments too.
Is this not a happily...
Look at the face, guys. Tell her to give the look. Show the look. Show the look that you give me. Go ahead. Show the look.
This is it.
Did you get really mad because I said that look don't work no more? You've been using it for 12 years. Go ahead, show them the look.
No. Honey, can you please stop? Honey, do you love me?
Yes,
I love you.
love you too. I still argue with you because I feel like it.
You're so lucky I'm your wife.
I am.
Hala, this is the pain one, right?
Yes.
Hala, Han, it's not really
There's something
right,
wrong with
Han.
that joint, so you feel it.
The joint, yeah, it's kinda, and it's fatter, Han.
The joint is broken.
Yeah, it's hala. Maganda pala sa Michael's, guys. Dito nga kami ngayon sa Michael's. Ang ganda pala dito. Ang daming decoration, oh. Tingin lang ako, guys. Maganda dito, oh. Meron akong plano kasi sa ano. It's $4 man. Ay, ang mahal naman ito. $4. Ang mahal. Maganda to. Magkano ba to? Ito. Kasi ayaw ko yung matigas. Masakit. Masakit. Masakit sa ano, wood. Hindi maganda yung paint. Ito yung pang paint sa ano, yung parang ganun ba. Dito pala bibili ng mga ano, no? Brush ano, para pang ano, paint, pinta. Maganda to, oh. Mga ganito, oh. Marami. Ang cute naman ito. I like this one. Can I get this? For to put all the remotes. Ito maganda din, oh. Tingnan nyo naman, guys. Maganda ito, oh. $3. Dito lang pala makabili ng mga anit, oh. Look at this. We can write what we need. Huh? Ito, bilhin ko to, guys. I'm gonna get this. I like that. Leafing paint? Lip paint? Right?
Yeah, but
Is that lip paint? Ito yung mga gusto ko, oh. Meron pala dito. Ang kitchen ba? Ang dami, oh. Ang ganda. May mga takip pa yung iba, look. $50 na lang. Maganda pala dito na lugar. Ang daming mga ano, mga Mga kikay look. This is cross stitch. Kasi daming mga pang kikay. Mga art. What? Oh, this is the board over there in the wall area.
I'm saying cross stitch would be inside this area here.
I did look here. This is the cross stitch thing, oh.
Yeah.
And this is the cross stitch
Those are
material.
patterns?
Patterns. Oh, it's patterns here? No. No, it's not good. I do big one, but no. But look at it, hon. I just realized it's really nice here.
Yeah.
Ito na siya, guys. Ito yung binili namin kahoy. Ito yung binili namin kahoy. At saka yan. Yun lang. Hanap. We got a wood. Honey, we got a wood. So, Tommy went to Lowe's. Hindi ako sumama, guys. And may hinahanap siya. He can't find it. So, I already have one. It's expensive. And now we are going to Walmart. Ito, guys. Si Tommy, guys. Bumibili na naman ng duck. Parang walang laruan yung aso ba. Kaloka. Nakipag-away pa sa akin talaga. Nakipag-away dahil sinabi ko meron pa silang laruan. Pero bilhin talaga niya. Nakalabas na kami pero bumalik ako sa Walmart sa loob kasi nakalimutan ni Taming bumili ng dry food. Nagpunta kami doon, guys, para bumili ng dry food pero yun yung nakalimutan. Inuna pa yung laruan ng aso. Kumuha ng gas si Mister. Nagpagas lang si Tami kasi wala na pala akong gas kahapon. Sabi ko ako na lang yung mag-gas. So, hindi ko nilagyan ng gas. Gusto kong si Tami na yung mag-gas-gas. Anyway, gas-gas yung put. Alam nyo, nakalimutan. Marami akong kinain kaninang umaga. Sabi ko, halo ano na pala? 2 o'clock na to something na. Sabi ko, oh my goodness. Wala pa pala akong dinner. Wala pa pala akong lunch. How much you pay for the gas? Hala, is that your thing? You feel off? $28. It's no big difference.
Rising with each beat that the music is bringing, new flames in the fire that keeps burning. We're inviting the night in. Welcome on my heart so full. I'm devoting myself to the night. There's no motive. We're just listening. We're existing. Hearts of fire, we will dance all night. Young and free, we will feel release. Eyes will light, we will see the dawn. We will stay till the picture falls. We stay where the music plays, where the lights drop low, where the people sway. We stay where the picture glows, where the console flows, and the lights on fire.
Hi, baby! Hello, monkey! Hi, monkey! Hi, Rosie! Pag bumili ka pala at gumagamit ka ng ganito, it's 5 cents. Bumili ako ng bread kasi wala na akong bread. And ito. Oh, look, what Dada got for you. Oh, Dada got a duck. Dada got a duck. It's too dark. I'm going to use this. I have to ask Tammy how to use this. Because before we can put the marble
You
table.
can take the tags off. She's walking around with a purple duck with the tag on.
What?
You didn't even take the tag off and gave it to them.
Which one? Oh yeah, it's right there. So ito siya, doon to siya sa table ilagay. I'm going to paint this or just leave it like that. Color. What's that for?
The door. Stop the scraping on the door. When we repaint it, it won't get that nasty black scrape mark on it.
Okay.
It's annoying to me.
Ooh. Ito. Gusto kong mag-order ulit ng ganon. Isa. Para sa dining this Christmas. So, mura lang man yan na order na. Bili ko yan sa ano. Saan ka nabili? Sa Amazon. Ang ganda ng tanawin ko dito guys kasi nag-change color na yung bukid. Yung mountain doon. Look. Mag-edit lang ako! God. Look, ito. Ito yung ipakita ko sa inyo na hinog na siya. Hinog na. Look, diba? Hinog na siya, guys. Ready na siya. Yung iba is andun sa labas. Sobrang ginaw. So, pupunta ako doon sa labas kung anong meron sa garden ko. Kasi nakalimutan ko na or kailangan ko na bang i-harvest yung mga sili, ganon. And then, kunti lang naman yung luto. Today is Monday pala, no? Nakalimutan ko na Monday pala ngayon. Tinawagan si Tommy. Magtrabaho siya sa Thursday. Hey, Bang! Tignan niya, guys. Gustong-gusto niya itong bed. Hi, Bang! Anyway, guys, ilagay ko yung Christmas tree pala. Ilagay ko siya sa dito pagkatapos na ng Halloween kasi si Tommy ayaw na ayaw talaga niya mag-Halloween. Meron ng Christmas tree. Ayaw ni Tommy. So, yun. Kaya, after Halloween na natin, mga November 1 or 2, ilagay natin si Christmas tree. And then also, maglabas ako ng mga decor. Tingnan natin. So, let's do it! Hanap tayo kung alin yung magandang pang paint. Ito siya, marami. Ito yung 7 pieces yung andito sa loob, pero ito yung gamitin natin. Ito talaga yung mga pang-pinta ba? Pang ganon-ganon o pinta-pinta. But this is nice though. You know that?
Yeah.
That's more gold.
Well, it's supposed to be both.
Can you
supposed
hold
to be
on?
both metallic. But
Okay, can you put
Yeah.
something over there defense? What is the best to do? Use this other thing. Okay. You have to pay attention, guys. Time lapse, go. Okay guys, look. So I did that thing down here. It's really pinned in the neck to put painting. Like I'm doing really painting like this. Pahinga muna ako kasi magluluto pa ako. It's already almost 6 o'clock. So yan. Well, maganda naman siya. Hindi naman siya pingit. Parang Korean Bill. Komportable yung itong dalawa, look. Lumabas ako guys kasi may narinig akong kayuti. You guys cannot go out. Go in. I-continue ko to bukas. Yan. Hi guys. Matulog na kami guys. Tulog na. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Hindi ko na natapos. Kunti na lang yung anuhin ko pero hindi ko natapos. Yan. Matulog na kami. Anyway, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And dito na yung mga junag kids ko with the fireplace. So yun, good night guys. Matulog lang kami. Alam nyo, noong nag-ano pala ako guys, noong, di ba nagdudugo yung ilong ni Tommy? And, nung umaga na yon, dugo siya ng dugo. Akala namin nawala na. Nung umalis kami, nag-grocery, nagdudugo na naman, di ba, konti. So, dugo siya ng dugo nung umaga, and then yun, bumalik. And then ngayon na naman, bumalik na naman siya. And then sabi ko, baka sa, yung palagi niyang pag-i-spray ng ilong ba. So, baka na iwan ko. Basta nag-alala ako. Ando, nakahiga na. Anyway, good night. See you tomorrow, guys. Good night, Han. It's like in your head. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Matulog lang kami. And I will see you guys tomorrow.
Come on.